High-precision grinding, creep feed grinding, and grinding with large stock removals require an adequate coolant system. As accessories to ITM's grinding machines, ITM offers a fully automatic coolant system. Coolant systems are available in two sizes. Shown here is a filter system with an 8 square meter filter area and a total coolant oil or water-soluble reservoir of 1,200 liters, or approximately 330 gallons. The filter consists of a filter dome, in which filter candles are mounted in a vertical position. For an 8 square meter filter area, approximately 130 filter candles are required. The candles consist of individual injection molded pieces which are assembled by self-locking threads. Finally, the filter candle is covered with finely meshed nylon hose on which the filter powder can easily settle. But more importantly, it can be washed off during the dumping cycle to allow for a new coat of filter powder. To begin the filter cycle, the filter candles are first coated with a filter powder which is manually inserted during the initial coating cycle. For 8 square meters of filter area, approximately 15 pounds is required. After adding the filter powder, either manually or by an optional automatic feeding system, the Enter button is pushed. 5 minutes later, the filter automatically switches over to the filter cycle. While in the filter cycle, one or more grinding machines can be supplied with coolant oil or water-soluble coolant by individual coolant pumps. Shown here is a coolant pump producing up to 120 liters per minute and 30 bar pressure. The coolant media returning from the machines enters a 150 millimeter tube at the end of the filter to return to the dirty oil section of the filter tank. Multiple baffle plates increase the flow to dissipate air bubbles, which may be caused in the returning oil by high-pressure coolant. The coolant media is returned from the machines to the filter pumps, which work in series to pump the dirty oil into the filter dome. The oil passes through the filter powder to the inside of the filter candles. The clean oil then comes out into the top of the filter dome. This clean oil is then guided to a heat exchanger built into a self-contained chiller unit. With this chiller, the coolant media temperature supplied to machines will be held to within 1 degree. This constant coolant media temperature is crucial to hold close tolerances during automatic production. During the filter cycle, the grinding grit, grinding dirt, etc. will accumulate on top of the filter powder until sufficient flow can no longer pass through the inside of the filter candles, at which time the dumping cycle must be started. When initiating the dumping cycle, all outgoing valves from the filter dome will be closed to create a maximum pressure on the inside of the filter candles, which is then instantly released, causing the filter powder with the accumulated dirt to be washed off and dumped into the sludge reservoir of the filter tank. After the filter dome is emptied, the new filter coating cycle can be initiated, as shown earlier, and 5 minutes later the filter is ready for operation again. For an environmentally friendly operation, ITM offers this optional sludge dryer. The sludge dryer starts its automatic operation after the filter dome is emptied into the sludge reservoir of the filter tank. The sludge pump keeps the sludge continuously agitated to prevent the sludge from settling in the sludge reservoir. Furthermore, the sludge pump in the automatic cycle will charge the sludge dryer until the sludge reservoir is empty. With each charge of the sludge dryer, the coolant media, either oil or water soluble, is separated from the sludge by air pressure up to 100 psi, or approximately 6 bar. After each drying cycle, the sludge dryer automatically empties, dumping a dry substance consisting of filter powder, grinding dirt, etc. This sludge dryer returns coolant media, especially oil, to the coolant reservoir. With this coolant system and the use of the appropriate filter powder, coolant oil can be cleaned to within 2 to 3 micron particles. This allows the coolant oil to be used for a long period of time. The filter units are designed to be used as a standalone unit, or 2 or more may be placed next to each other to form a central cooling system. ITM's advanced coolant system offers the support needed to enhance the efficiency of your grinding machines.